are still on our South African food safari. I'm Megha Joshi and Megzy Pop for you. Today we are going to use a bread, make it a bowl, and we're going to put some yummy filling in it. We are actually going to make the bunny chow. Chow actually in South African slang means to eat. But before I get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. So to make our bunny chow, you know what to do. Please take a screenshot of the list of ingredients that's on your screen so that you could refer to it later on. Okay, so we're going to start with the filling for our bunny chow. We're going to use rajma filling, but there are various different types of fillings you can always make. Let's put our stove on. Right. Now, we're going to put our oil first. Okay, and then we're going to add some jeera to it because jeera gives great flavor. So while our jeera is getting infused in the oil with its flavor, I want to tell you why is bunny chow called the bunny chow. It's because the Indians who did business in South Africa were called the banniyas, and chow is the South African slang for food or for eating. So then they started eating these different curries that the banniyas made with bread, hence it's called the bunny chow. So here our jeera is nicely done. I'm going to put some onions, okay, not all of them, because we're keeping some for the salad that we're going to make. Okay, I'm going to add garlic and ginger paste to it. Also, take a note that a lot of South African food has many different Indian flavors to it. That's why South Africa and India can connect so well. I'm just going to now add some green chilies, my favorite green chilies. Now I'm going to add our tomato puree for our gravy. Make sure you're letting it cook nicely because you want all the flavors nicely infused. Okay, I'm just going to add the masalas to this now. We'll add some red chili powder, not too much because remember we have put some green chilies as well. Okay. Now we're just going to give it a stir. I don't know if you can see my beautiful spatula. It's actually handmade. It's wooden and it's handmade in South Africa, and it's got this zebra print on it. So it makes it feel so much more special to cook with. Yeah, we're just going to add some dhania jeera powder. Okay, for our flavors. Some turmeric powder, which is very good for your health as well. And we're going to put our salt to taste. Remember, we still have the rajma to add, the beans. Okay, I'm going to give it a good stir. Smelling so nice already. If you feel your gravy is a bit too thick, you can always add a little bit of water. Okay, so while this is getting done, let's prepare for our little salad on the side. Let's make our little salad. So I'm going to get a bowl. Okay, you can see I have shredded carrots here. I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes, some onions, some lemon juice for that tanginess. Okay, and of course, salt to taste. That's important. Okay, and I'm going to put some coriander, fresh coriander, and it's just so flavorful. I love it. Okay, I'm just going to give it a quick mix, and we have our little side salad ready. You should always eat a salad with your food. It just makes your food so much tastier, and obviously you're eating good, healthy food. All right, I'm going to keep this aside. And we'll go back to our curry. This has cooked well, and now I'm just going to add the boiled beans to it, rajma. And we're going to give it a stir. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more water because I feel it's a little thick, my gravy. Here we go. Okay, so our rajma is almost ready, and even for the vegetarians, I've made a rajma filling curry. You can make anything like the green moong dal, potato and peas, paneer bunny. Please feel free to make whatever you want, but try it for sure and let me know if you like it or if you've tried something new. You can even add a cheese sauce to it and make a Mexican bunny. It's just up to you and your imagination and of course your taste buds. Okay, so we're done with this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a little cut in the middle. Okay, we have a pretty little bowl, and then we're gonna fill our little bunny bowl. Fill it up nicely, and bunny chows are best eaten hot, hot, hot. So we've put the curries in our buns, bun bowls actually. Now what we're gonna do is we'll take this, we'll add our salad, which is the freshness. It's a great balance to have. Upper. And for people who really want a kick, you can even have chili pickle. And South African chili pickle is to die for. And this is our bunny ready, from some coriander for it. And then we give it a little hat. There we go. That's our pretty little bunny. And here's our little bunny chows ready. If you guys have really enjoyed my bunny chow recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. But before I go, I have to do what I always do, and that is to eat and taste what I've made. My mouth is watering already, so I'm going to dig in. And if you want to give it a shot, please go ahead, make it, try it and tell me how it was. Because my hands are messy. I'm an Indian, okay? So I'm going to just stuff my face now.